Hi and welcome. It's your bread barista again. Ready to point you towards some of our value-adding services.
Because we offer you a lot more than just bread. We help our partners build their business with a host of auxiliary services such as relevant inspiration, storytelling, and information, expertise on consumer trends, reports, and insights, advice, training and counselling, including golden tips and tricks.
And we keep innovating and introducing new support concepts.
Such as our new support app that helps you out with advice and tips 24/7.
We'll support you with everything that will help you run a great business and to be more successful.
Because we appreciate that food entrepreneurs like you usually don't have the time or the energy to figure out everything for themselves. And that's where 150 years of experience and the support of 6,000 experts with a burning passion for bakery really makes a big difference. Because we have the right specialists, programs, guides, etc. in place to help you run the tastiest, most efficient, and most successful modern business around.
So trust us to be your category experts whenever you want to tap into our expertise, insights, and advice. Just get in touch. We are here for you all the way.